Did you know that by 2025, it's estimated there will be nearly 5 billion social media users worldwide? That's over 60% of the global population. Stay tuned to discover the top social media marketing trends you need to know for 2025. As the number of social media users continues to grow, businesses face increasing challenges in keeping up with the ever-changing landscape. Algorithms are constantly updated, new platforms emerge, and consumer behavior shifts rapidly. Many businesses struggle to maintain their online presence and engage their audience effectively. Without a clear strategy and an understanding of upcoming trends, it's easy to get lost in the noise. So, what can we expect in 2025? First, video content will dominate more than ever. Short-form videos, live streaming, and interactive videos will capture attention and drive engagement. Next, AI will play a significant role in personalization, helping brands create highly tailored content for each user. Finally, social commerce will explode, with platforms like Instagram and TikTok enhancing their shopping features, allowing users to make purchases directly from their feeds. These trends will shape how businesses connect with their audience and drive sales.